We have Indiana legend Don Fischer here at a 7-month follow-up. 4 months is always great, but 7, 8 months, big changes happen. This is Don before. Let's get in here and check out his results. I'm so excited to see this guy. Well, wow, Don, man, what a change. This is so exciting. You know, again, met with you, what was that, 8, 9 months ago. I know you were really doing your homework, and again, everybody's a little bit nervous, but this is the reward part of this. Obviously, again, showing you your old photo here, and again, the way you look now, you look great before, but man, what are your thoughts?
Actually, it's gone much quicker than I anticipated as far as the growth of the hair. It's starting to fill in. It's been very rewarding, and obviously, with your hair coming back and you're starting to look like you want to look again, it's special.
Yeah, well, you look great. And, just as far as, again, we take a lot of pride in our staff here. As far as dealing with the staff, after the procedure, you feel like all your questions were answered.
I've called in here several times, talked to Darren, talked to you, I've talked to some of the nurses, and they've been great. Every question's answered. You guys made me feel at ease. You didn't try to tell me that it wasn't going to be a process. It was. So all those things I understood immediately, and then the decision had to be made. Am I going to do it or am I not?
What would you tell people after going through this experience, getting your hair back looking as good? We almost made you too good looking here. But
yeah, right.
What would you tell guys, that are kind of on the fence, thinking about at least checking it out?
Well, I think that's the key. I think you just have to check it out. You have to be willing to ask the questions. You guys have all been honest with me about the process, and when I've asked questions, you've had the answers to those questions. And it's not a quick fix. It's going to take a year to get it done, and I'm 7 months into it at this point, and I've seen progress, not daily, but like weekly almost, because I've seen the hair regrowing. And it's just a great feeling, and I would tell anybody that's interested in it to come in and check you people out, because you do a phenomenal job.
What I really enjoy is when patients come back in and that hairline's coming in. They call it the Da Vinci rule: chin to nose, nose to eyebrow, eyebrow to that hairline, all needs to be symmetrical. Obviously framing up Don's face from his before shot. The artistry of this procedure, super important. And as you can see, there in the front with Don, we have single hair follicles. Don, like me, had a lot of loss through the top. Basically all multi-units through here to give him coverage through that area. And that's a trademark graft that we do. And that's why 80% of our patients just have one procedure done. With a multi-unit procedure, we take the hair from the back. Again, with Don, we took it back here. Obviously, the back looks the same as it did really before you had the procedure done. Combing up through the hair, really, really hard to see, but right through there is where the hair was taken. We use plasma with Don. And again, this makes things that much better for our patients. Sure appreciate you coming in, appreciate you working with us, okay?
You bet.
All right.
I'm Don Fischer, and thanks to Regrow Hair Indy, I've got my hair back.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.